Okay, let's dive into this. It's a high-speed trading strategy called the rule of thirds, using NVIDIA as our example.
So the scene is December 11th. The market for NVIDIA looks pretty grim, and things are tense.
Before the market even opened, everything for NVIDIA was pointing down. The mood was super negative.
The stock was trading below a critical indicator, the EMA 200, and that signals some major weakness.
Yeah, think of this line as a big frontier. If you're trading below it, that is not a good sign.
But here's the thing, the pre-market data, it was telling a totally different, much more confusing story. So you've got this huge dilemma, right? Do you trust the big negative trend or these weird little signals?
The key is having a system to cut through all that noise and find a clear path forward.
And that's where this specific tool comes in, the rule of thirds. It helps quantify the risk and reward.
First up, the potential profit if the stock went up was calculated at just 59 cents a share.
But if it went down, the potential profit there was a much bigger 80 cents per share.
So the data was pretty clear. Betting on the price to fall looked like the much stronger move.
It's a really disciplined three-step process that leads you right to the final trading decision.
So the decision is pretty bold. You actually place a bet in both directions at the same time. You make a smaller, one-third bet on that tiny upside, then a full conviction bet on the downside. All right, the opening bell rings. The trade is on. Let's see how this two-way strategy played out.
And wow, check this out. The whole thing was a success in under 2 minutes. Just incredible speed.
The results were just blazing fast, and it totally validated the pre-market analysis and the whole strategy.
See, this wasn't just luck. It was the result of a really rigorous model that's applied consistently. I love this metaphor for the system. It's like a strict German nanny. It just doesn't allow for any foolishness.
So, the big takeaway here? A structured, disciplined process can totally conquer what looks like pure chaos.
And it leaves us with one final thought. Can a rigid system really outperform our gut feelings in those crazy moments?